fighting for his place once again, not only in the state of Andhra Pradesh, but also in the Lok Sabha?
Yes, indeed. For Jagan Mohan Reddy, at one side, if you see, the only campaigner, the big campaigner in the YSRCP is Jagan Mohan Reddy. On the other side, you have a Chandrababu Naidu, you have a Pawan Kalyan, and you have the array of BJP leaders, including the Prime Minister, who has already been there once and is expected to be there at least 2 or 3 times more. There are about 45 days left. Jagan Mohan Reddy has to make the best use of the time, and therefore, after his Siddham meetings, he has started what are called the Memanta Siddham. What that means is we are all ready, and he's going to be taking this tour. As you mentioned, 21-day tour is what has been announced as of now. In the first 3 days, he'll be covering the Kadapa district, Nandyal and Kurnool as well. And he started it, as you mentioned, from Idupalapaya. That's the resting place of YSR. And that controversy about his alleged involvement or his, relative, the candidate, Avinash Reddy, who's a candidate from Kadapa, MP candidate, his involvement in the murder of Mr. Vivekanand Reddy, the uncle of Jagan Mohan Reddy. That is something that Jagan sought to, in fact, address today, with one bringing his mother also on the same platform and showing that she doesn't have any animosity towards him, because there has been a lot of narrative of his sister saying that the mother is backing the sister and not her son, and that's something that he put to rest by starting the campaign with her at Idupalapaya.